Hello everyone, my name is Master Sergeant Conteh. I am one of the 2 AFJROTC instructors here at Pine High School. Real quick about the program, myself and Lieutenant Colonel Mason, retired. We are your instructors. We both have a total of over 42 years active duty Air Force service. We're retired now, and what our job is now is we teach AFJROTC at school. Now, one disclaimer I want to give you guys up front. If you have aerospace science on your schedule, that is AFJROTC. A lot of young students get confused because they think that aerospace science is a science class. It is not. It is AFJROTC. Now let me move further. If you take brick and mortar, if you are in school, here are the requirements for AFJROTC. We have 5 days of learning. 3 days of those are academics, which we talk about aerospace science. Aerospace science includes learning about space, learning about the air, and also learning about cultural studies. Being retired, Colonel myself has vast knowledge of different things in the Air Force. I was a cargo personnel in the military, and Colonel was a space personnel when he was in the military, so we have a vast amount of knowledge when it comes to specifics in the military. So those are the first 3 days of the week, Monday through Wednesday. Thursday, you will learn about drill, which you may have seen it in movies, you may have seen it on YouTube, but we do drill. Backtrack real quick. If we're in brick and mortar, we do require uniform wear. So if we do brick and mortar and we have to wear uniforms, you guys will have uniforms. Guys, yes, you have to get a haircut. Doesn't have to be a buzz cut, but we can explain that during open house, or you can basically look online. There are plenty of things they tell you about myths busters when it comes to AFJROTC. Friday we do PT. Now our PT is a little bit, it's more rigorous than PE, because ours, we have to start you at one end, and at the end of the year, we have to see progression. Because you will take the Presidential Fitness Assessment, and when the Presidential Fitness Assessment is conducted, we need to see some growth. You're not in it just to be in it. You're in it to show some growth. So with that being said, we have seen a lot of improvement, but what you guys have to do is do a little PT at home by yourself. Case in point, you guys that play games, if there's a loading screen, knock out 5 push-ups during the loading screen. I know Fortnite has a lot of loading screens, and they are long. Okay, with that being said, also, if we do brick and mortar, we do have community service projects that we're involved with. Our program is responsible for doing a lot of community service, as well as a lot of the clubs around the school do community service, but AFJROTC, we take pride in that as well. If we do brick and mortar, we also have co-curriculars, such as marksmanship team, drill team, color guard team, PT team, and we also have, we may be doing orienteering where basically they put you out. We don't put you out. We put you in a wooded area or a desert looking area or an area where you have to find your way around with a compass. And that's all brick and mortar. If we do brick and mortars, that's what you have to do. If we do e-learning, you guys will basically have to do aerospace science and leadership online. We don't know if we're going to do drill or PT yet at home. So that is that's still forthcoming. We'll still have to wait for that. So with that being said, if you do take AFJROTC for 2 years, it will satisfy your performing arts credit. So that is 1+ for taking AFJROTC for 2 years. If you take AFJROTC for 3 years, you do come into the military if you decide to go into the military with rank. Now, let me throw a disclaimer. Colonel Mason and myself, we are not recruiters. Our program is a citizenship program. So if you take AFJROTC and you pass it, it looks good on resume, it builds character, discipline, integrity, service before self, and excellent in all you do. So that is a plus. Again, we are not recruiters. You're not joining this program to join the military. But if you want to join the military, we can connect you with the right people to get you to join the military. Again, we're not recruiters. So again, my name is Master Sergeant Conteh. Oh, before I sign off, we do a Zoom for parents the first Saturday of the school year. So whenever we find out when the first Saturday of the school year is, we'll throw out the Zoom information and get that out to you guys so you guys can log on and ask any further question, and we'll also break down AFJROTC in further detail. So look forward to having you guys in the program. This is Master Sergeant Conteh signing off.